Everybody keeps telling business owners that they need to adopt AI, but nobody explains to them how to do it without stopping operations or spending a fortune. I get it, you're interested, but it's a risk and you're too snowed under with day-to-day operations to consider it. Give me a few minutes and I'll tell you exactly how to get started, low risk, low cost, and with minimal disruption but powerful results. Let's call it the Snowball Effect. And here's exactly how I do it. It starts with just a free 1-hour call. We sit down and look at your business and how it runs right now and identify some bottlenecks. I'm not looking for a massive overhaul, I'm looking for quick wins, affordable with a quick and clear return. Together we pick one specific problem to solve first. This does two things. It gets you an immediate return on investment and it proves that the technology actually works. But here's the secret sauce. Whilst we build that first quick win, we start moving your data into one centralized home. Think of it like filing. Right now your data might be in emails, spreadsheets, OneDrive and different apps. What we do is we move it into one system and make it clean and make sure that it can talk to other systems. Once your data is in one place and organized, the door is wide open to leverage AI. This is when we can attach AI to start automating so many of your admin processes, allowing you to de-risk, scale and giving you a much better quality of life as a business owner. And the best part, we do this step by step, no massive disruptions. I set the work up as a pay per mini project model, and that means the money that you save or the extra revenue that you make from the first project helps to fund the second one, like a snowball growing and moving in the right direction. This is a method of development that I've been practicing and teaching for almost a decade. I've taught it to over 130,000 professionals, this exact model, and it works. You get a smarter business funded by your own efficiency. And if you're interested in understanding more, then let's book a free 1-hour chat. I'll give you a short training session on what AI is and how businesses like yours are already using it, and we can talk about your specific business problems and how to solve them with automation. I'll put my links below, but you can also find me on learnmanagementonline.com or via my LinkedIn, Michael James. Forward this video to anybody that you know is confused but intrigued about AI and how it can help their business. The AI revolution for your business starts here.